No. No.
What did you do, Aiden? What did you do? Did you get into your stuff? Where is it?
Yes.
Where is it? You got it everywhere. Where is it?
No.
No, where's the bottle? Where's the cream?
Wow.
What did you do here?
You.
How did you get that?
Mommy. Daddy. Daddy.
Why did you put it on your head?
No.
Look at it, it's on your face, everywhere. Why did you make a mess?
Mom.
Tub. You need to have a tub. Look at you.
Okay.
We'll put it in the tub. LJ. Here, come on. Let's go. Get out. You're all yucky. Get out, please.
Pee-pee.
Look at your head.
Pee-pee.
Go in here.
Pee-pee.
Go in here.